Hey guys, welcome to another video. You might say, what the hell am I doing here? It's a PlayStation 3 controller that we made so many videos, I think two of them so far in this channel, and my Note 20 Ultra again. Both these devices, but they don't exactly go together, right? What the hell are they doing with each other? Well, today we're going to connect this PlayStation 3 controller to our Note 20 Ultra and play a game with it. If you're wondering, is that even a possible thing to do? The answer is absolutely yes, and it works amazingly good. Now, I'm going to select the game. Which game should we? Asphalt 9. Let's try Asphalt 9, and let's see what happens. Asphalt 9 is opening. What do we need for this video right here? We need the light to cooperate with us first. We're going to plug in the OTG. That's USB-C to regular USB. We plug it in the phone right here. We take a regular USB that the PlayStation 3 controller takes. We plug one side on the phone as such, and the other side on the controller. As you see, the controller will flash. You hit the PlayStation logo, and it will go to light number one as it does on a regular PlayStation or PC. Because we learned how to connect it to PC as well. Here it's asking me if I want to connect it to my endoscope camera, which is another app that I use, and I click cancel because I don't need to connect it to it. But the phone has already recognized this controller. And as you see right here, it says controller connected. Boom. So now we click OK. And as you see, I'm going to start playing with this controller. And yeah, it is very possible because the Note 20 Ultra is very capable as well. And that's why I love this phone. It's one of the best phones I've ever had. And yes, a really quick thing you guys may not know about me, but I've had Galaxy Notes since their very first Note. I even had the burning one. And now I'm stuck at the Note 20 Ultra because 21 and 22 are the S Galaxies, and I'm not a fan of the S version at all. If Samsung is watching this video, please do something about it. As you see right here, I am riding and driving right here. Boom! And I'm hitting the nitros. And I'm running out of nitros. Here we go. Perfect nitro. And the game is so annoying with those tutorial stuff. And as you saw there, it recognizes the controller and it works. Boom. Okay, we go on the other side and we hit nitro. Boom. And we turn left here because that's how we want to do it. And that's just to show you that it works. And is it hot swappable? The controller. Well, let's put the game on pause. As you saw, I just paused it as if I was playing a regular PC or whatever. We take the USB out, and now we put it on the side. Now, what do we have here? A the Xbox controller. Well, let's see if we can connect an Xbox controller to it. We have a micro USB somewhere in the house, which I will find right now. We connect the USB part to the phone and the micro USB part to our Xbox controller. Flip it and connect it. And as you see, the light came on. We click the light and controller detected. The phone now knows we have this controller. And as we go, we just finished the race. So we click next, click next. I don't know what I'm doing exactly in the game. So if you're a gamer, it's your time to shine right now and laughing. So it's okay. I don't mind if you laugh. Actually, I would love if you laugh, even with my stupidity on a game. I don't mind as long as you laugh. I'm good with it. I'm happy about it. As you see, that's all I wanted to show you. I'm just gonna click this button until it puts me to some game or something. Because really, these games are a little bit annoying when it comes to that. How the hell do I get back to the game? No, I'm not going to buy anything with a 7-Eleven whatever transaction error. Obviously, transaction error because I'm not gonna buy anything. How do I get out of here? We choose just a random whatever card the game gives us. Uh, how do we get out of here? I just want to play. Play anyway. Okay. And let's get into the game with the Xbox controller, which is very interesting after we played and tested it with a PlayStation 3 controller. Now let's see the Xbox. 3, 2, 1. And the gas is here, I think, for this game. Okay, yeah. That's a good start. And we're going to run out of nitros. Boom. I don't know how I did that. Don't ask me how you do it. Because the game somehow did it. Oh, looks like if I press these two together, it does this kind of spin. Yeah, okay, that was not a good idea, but you get the point. The phone works and it accepts both controllers, Xbox controller and PlayStation 3 controller. So, if you want to play games in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, don't regret for having that phone. And as far as I know, this method works in most of the Android phones, even if it's not a Samsung Galaxy exactly. So, with that said, please like and subscribe if you don't mind. If not, well, I really can't tell you much more than thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.